Honey lemon is not just a delicious drink. It is simple to make and good for soothing the throat. Today, I'm sharing a quick simple way to make honey lemon drinks. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are lemon, honey, salt, and water, either hot or warm. We start with juicing the lemon. Cut the lemon into half. Juice the lemon with the juicer. Hold the lemon with your palm and press it down on the juicer with all your strength so that the lemon juice can come out and goes down through the strainer. A different type of juicer can be used as well. Okay, one is done. I will continue with another half of the lemon. Alright, it is done. Super easy. Discard the lemon seed and the lemon skin. Next, strain the juice to remove the lemon pulp. With 1 big lemon, I get this much of lemon juice. Now we can start making honey lemon drinks. Put 200 ml of warm water in both cups. Next, add a little hot water before putting honey in the measuring spoon so that the honey won't get stuck to the spoon. Add in 2 tablespoons of honey into each cup. Stir until the honey is dissolved. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in each cup. And stir. Add in a little bit of salt, just a tip of the teaspoon for taste. Stir. Now I can taste it. Wow, lovely! Lastly, we can dress it up with a slice of lemon on the cup. This is optional. There you have it, a lovely honey lemon drink in 3 minutes. Let's try! Wow, so soothing to the throat. This warm drink has perfectly balanced flavors of sourness and sweetness. The sharpness of lemon is mellow with the salt. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!